It's official. It is indeed. Todd Baginski has again been selected to present at the Microsoft Ignite conference after presenting highly successful sessions for many thousands of satisfied event attendees in his career. It is easy to see why Todd has again received this honor. Microsoft Ignite attendees are encouraged to come see Todd's sessions to learn how to use Office 365, Microsoft Teams, the Graph API, PowerApps, and Azure to create real business solutions. See Todd's Twitter profile at Todd Baginski for more information. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Yes, is it true Todd will demonstrate Teams templating?
Look, absolutely. In Todd's theatre session on Monday at 5:45 p.m., you will learn how to make a self-service Teams creation app. The app allows end users to create Microsoft Teams that come pre-populated with documents, tabs, and apps all ready to go so people can start to collaborate immediately. Brilliant indeed, yes.
What about PowerApps?
Look, you know it. In Todd's breakout session on Tuesday at 1:45 p.m., you could learn how to handle and log errors and telemetry for PowerApps, and even how to make a top-secret debug panel. Very good indeed. Several PowerApp team members and community experts will also join Todd on Wednesday to record the PowerApps community call. That's all for now. Thank you very much. Todd is looking forward to seeing everyone at Ignite.